Hey everybody, Jim Potts over here at Travel Camp Orange Park. I want to introduce you to the Forest River Gray Wolf Limited Edition 26 DJSE model. So it's got an electric tone jack on the front, dual propane tanks, battery, storage underneath. It's prepped for solar already. It's got an electric awning with LED light strip on the top. Dual axle, nice big front windows, entertainment center for outside, got the lease latch system, cargo support on the back. Let's go inside and check it out. As soon as you walk in, nice spacious trailer here, queen bed, plenty of storage and wardrobe, and there's room to walk around the bed. Sofa right up front here that jackknifes into a bed. Storage up top. Microwave, 3-burner stove, residential farm style sink. Plenty of space in the kitchen. Got an oven as well. Furrion refrigerator and freezer. It's got the big double bunks. Spot to put another TV. Dinette area. More storage above that. Then you've got your stand-up shower, the skylight, toilet, sink with a cabinet underneath, and medicine cabinet on top. And everything is going to be controlled right here in this main control panel. Come see us over at Travel Camp Orange Park. Thanks.